gusto mong maka-avail ng 20% discount sa iyong real estate, property tax at taga Manila ka, panoorin mo to. Yes, you got it right. You will get up to 20% discount if you will pay in full at wala ka ng utang sa iyong pamilya. You will get 20% discount if you pay on or before December 10, 2025. 15% naman ang discount kung magbabayad ka on December 11 to December 29, 2025. At 10% discount kung magbabayad ka from December 30, 2025 hanggang January 31, 2026. Kung handa ka na magbayad, pumunta lang sa Manila City Hall, City Treasurer's Office o sa kanilang mobile app na Go Manila. Pero kung masyado kang busy at wala kang time na pumunta sa Manila City Hall para magbayad ng iyong tax, hayaan mong kami ang tumulong sa iyo. Mag-message lang dito sa aming page, Metro Properties PH, and we will help you pay your tax and get your discount. So, message na!